So what you can also do is you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to write a song for you. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say write a song about a YouTube channel named TutorTube right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube right here, just like this, and make it very positive, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say also give me musical note reference that I can use along with the lyrics, just like this. So once I go around and do this, so I'm asking it to write a song about a YouTube channel named YouTube right here. I'm asking it to write the lyrics, of course, and I'm also asking it to give me the musical note reference that I can use. So once I go around and type this in and press enter, then what happens is that I get this. So you can see that I get the verse right here, the pre-chorus, the chorus, as you can see right here. It divided it out into different chunks, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can see that it got the outro and everything out right here, just like this. And then you can see that it says the major song is the key of C major, tempo is moderate, and so forth right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say give me the musical chords in details right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and do that, and what happens is that it gives me the major like chord and just like this, as you can see right here, just like this. So while singing the lyrics, it is telling me to go around and then give me the chords as well, just like this. So this is how you can go around and utilize Microsoft Copilot to actually go around and write a song for you, and even ask it to give you hints about the musical notes right here. So that is how you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to write a song for yourself. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.